Want to know how to join a clan in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends game. So once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, on the bottom you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So right beside index, you should be seeing clan right here. Just simply select that. So now once you have selected clan, here you should be seeing various clans that you can choose from. So you can join clans, see their rankings, invitations from your clan, and much more. So in order to join a clan, you can just simply select or browse these clans right here. So if you want to quick join a random clan, just simply select join right here on a quick join. You can also change your language and just simply apply to join by selecting apply to join, and then send application, and you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.